Hey y'all, it is Molly Rose and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, hey. So today is such a fun video, y'all. So we're doing a surprise unboxing video from DAddario. They sent me 5 boxes of stuff that I don't know what is in it, and we're just gonna unbox it today and see what it is and have a little bit of fun. So I did a video for them a couple months ago where I was showing off the mic mute, the infrared mic mute, and I'll put that right there. And I love that product, and they emailed me and was like, hey, we saw your video, we wanna send you some stuff. And I was like, yeah. So I just kind of told them some stuff that I like. And so we're just gonna have like a magical unboxing of Evan's stuff and maybe some ProMark stuff, I'm not sure. But I really hope that they sent me the new Evans drum key because I have not been able to get my hands on one yet. So I hope and pray that they sent me the one with the little string on it. I don't remember what it's called, but yeah, I hope we get that. So let's just have some fun and see what is in all of these crazy boxes. Okay, we're gonna start with this big one because I'm guessing that this is probably going to be bass drum heads. So let's see. Ooh, what it is. Sorry, Dom. This is the Evans EMAD heavyweight 22-inch kick drum head, and it comes with 2 rings, a smaller one, and then this is the larger one. And that's kind of what it sounds like. I mean, I like the way it sounds. I love their bass drum heads, so I'm excited to use this, and I like that it is heavyweight. Okay, I've decided we're gonna go biggest to smallest box. So this is the second biggest box. Probably gonna be maybe like 16-inch heads or something like that. Oh, red? Oh, okay, whoa. We got the 16-inch hydraulic red 2-ply drum head. Oh, whoa, frickin' fricky frack, look at that. That's cute, what the heck? I absolutely love the way that looks. It has like, I don't know if you guys can see, it has some like holes in it. Okay, I'm very excited to try that out. Third biggest box. Let's see what we got. I wonder if we're gonna get any more red drum heads. I kind of like love that though, because I love like weird colored drum heads. I love just things that are unique. Oh, it looks like we have some more drum heads. Let's see, we have 14-inch red hydraulic. Again, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Like, I kind of want to eat this. Like, this looks like a pie. I love it. Okay, 14-inch. This is probably going to be a 12-inch red. Okay, slay. Love that. Here's the 12-inch. Okay, before we move on, I want to read a little bit about the hydraulic drum heads because I'm not super familiar with them. So it says that the hydraulic drum heads feature a thin layer of oil between 2 plies of film offering maximum durability, that's cool, and a fat, deep, and short sound pioneered by early 70s rock and roll. Hydraulics are famously easy to tune, making them a perfect fix for some troublesome drums and player with little tuning experience. I like that. That's cool that they're easy to tune and easy to use, and I love that they have oil in between them. I'm very, very excited to try that. That is so unique. I love when companies do like not the same stuff that every other company does, so I'm extremely excited to try that. And then we have the EC reverse dot snare batter 14-inch head. Oh, I've actually had one of these before. I've had one of these like a long time ago, I think on like a steel snare. Let's read a little bit about the reverse dot head. This features a 7mm top ply and a 10mm bottom, providing a controlled sound, but with the resonance and sensitivity at all tuning and dynamic ranges. Sound shaping technology, edge control rings on the underside reduce unwanted frequencies and enhances attack. I really like that because I do have one snare drum that I have problems with that sometimes, so I know which snare I'm gonna put this on. The reverse dot lends extra durability, focus, and attack in the center. Very nice. Next up is this box. I actually don't know what is in here. Let's see what it is. Oh! Oh! That's so cute. Oh, I love that. I love t-shirts. Oh my gosh. Hella cute. And it matches my drum heads. Okay, I wonder if that's why they did like a little red theme for me. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, wow, that's nice. Oh, I love it. Oh, I'm gonna look so cute in that. And then it has like the little drum heads on the back. Oh my gosh, quality, also quality. Bring back quality for companies, because like some companies don't know how to do that. Okay, so cute. Oh, is this a ProMark t-shirt? Okay, cute, ProMark. Okay, slay. Oh, very cute. That's the little ProMark on the back. Very cute. I like that. Oh my God. This is the best day of my life. They did send me the drum key. Oh my God. Dear Lord, thank you for this drum key. I can't wait to unbox it. I've literally been wanting one of these for like weeks. Wow, this is like a weapon. Like I could totally hurt someone with this. Oh, I love it. We're gonna have to go tune something. Okay, let's do the fast loosen. So just put it on there. Oh God, okay. Huh. That just works right away. Okay. Yeah, that was pretty damn fast. Okay, yeah, I've seen these things on TikTok and I guess it really does work. And then I guess fast tighten, just be the other one. And it just, wow. Yeah, there it is on there. That's pretty incredible. And then this is just a normal one. That was that gives me a thumbs up. Okay, lastly, very nice, the Dampening Gels Mini EQ Pods. Let's see what these look like on the inside. Oh, they're red again. Oh my gosh, so cute. I wish I had my red hair still, because all this red would like literally match my red hair so good. That's what the dampening gels look like. Cute. It has big ones and small ones. Oh, and there's 2 layers of them. All right, last box. This is drumsticks because I can feel it, and I got my practice pad out just so we can kind of see how they feel. I kind of told them like the sticks that I like, so let's see what these are. I'm not super familiar with ProMark 6 either, so this will actually be kind of cool for the channel to check out some new stuff. Okay, so these are Fire Grain Rebound 5s. The finish is lacquer, the length is 16 inches, diameter is 0.565, and it has an acorn tip. So let's see how these feel. Okay, first impression, I like it. It has the fire grain. It has a very interesting, oh, kind of has a nice scent to it actually. Oh, I like that. It actually smells really good. It has an interesting feel to it. I like it though, because I do like more of that lacquer feel. I used to play Regal Tip and all their sticks had this like kind of, you know, that lacquery feel to it. I like it. Okay, that's kind of fun. Next up, these are Hickory Rebound 5As. And these have a diameter of 0.565. They are 16 inches. The finish is lacquer. I think these are the same. They have the same acorn tip. Okay, so these are the same. This just is hickory and this is fire grain. Okay, interesting. Oh, okay, I already like that one better. I already like the fire grain better. I like this thickness though. That is nice, feels really nice and balanced. I like it. Cool sticks. Okay, I don't know what this is. Like I said, y'all, not super well versed in this. Hickory Rebound 7A. I do love a 7A. Finish is the active grip. This is 16 inches, diameter 0.535 with the acorn tip, but it has this like, it's like rubber thing on it. I'm not really sure what that is. Oh, it's in the box. This other pair has it on there too. So maybe you guys can tell me in the comments what that means. Like, I don't know if I'm supposed to put it. Oh, I like that though. I do like the way those feel. Oh, these are lighter. Okay, yeah, these are definitely lighter than the other sticks. Cool sticks though. I don't know what that little rubber piece is for, but I'm sure it's for something, and I love uniqueness. That's fun. Okay, these are the Hickory Rebound 7As, finish lacquer length 16 inches, diameter 0.535 with an acorn tip. Okay, so these are the same as this. It just has a different finish on it. Okay, cool. Okay, yeah, that's just like the normal finish. I like the weird finishes on sticks. That's really nice. I like that kind of like rubbery feel, but that's cool. Next up, we have, okay, the same weird rubber things. These are the Hickory Rebound 5As, finish active grip, length 16 inches, diameter 0.565 with the acorn tip. Okay, nice. I like that weight. I like that weight. I like those. Last thing that we have is the Rick Latham signature sticks. That's sick. I love Rick Latham. I'm sure these are great sticks. The finish is lacquer, length 16 inches, diameter 0.551, and a barrel tip. That tip is sick. Yeah, those are some cool sticks. It's always fun kind of trying out different stuff, especially when haven't had a lot of experience with it. So sweet. Thank you for sending me these sticks. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you DAddario, Evans, and ProMark for sending me all this stuff. I'm so excited, and this drum key might just like be my weapon by my bed now. I don't know, but I like love this thing. I can't wait to like show it off to everybody, and everybody will be so jealous of me now that I have it. The link's in this video for all this gear so you guys can check it out. I love you guys. Like and subscribe. My Instagram's at Molly Rose Drums. TikTok is Country Drummer Girl. And Mr. Dominion and I will see you in the next video.
Goodbye.